Wanting to submit your listing in coming soon status, but it's giving you errors? Let me show you how to correct this. So I'm going to go into the tab where it's telling me to make the correction. And I noticed that most agents know to clear here, but for some reason this box won't allow you to put it in coming soon status. Quick fix. You're going to hit Control on your keyboard, select and deselect that option here. You can submit this listing in coming soon successfully. So now I'm going to go into status, make sure it's in coming soon, and submit. And there you have it. It's in coming soon status. Thank you so much for watching. Did you find this video helpful? What topics would you like to see us cover in the future? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.